name is Hillary and welcome to the Tesla booth. We are here at FDIC to provide more resources for our firefighter friends. We are here at booth 643. If you look behind me, we have a lot of resources. From the top, we have a QR code that consists of all our ERGs. At the bottom portion, we have the augmented realities for the various products. We have a Mega Pack, power wall, solar panel, Model Y, and a supercharger. Over here, we have virtual reality involving the solar panel roof ventilation training, as well as a factory tour of the Mega Pack and the Fremont factory. On this side, we have a virtual reality training involving a garage fire at a residential. So if you'd like to try any of our virtual reality training or you would like to learn more about our Tesla products, please feel free to stop by our booth at number 643.